What's up guys, Sal here. So I know this is quite late and doesn't make any sense right now to make an unboxing video of this phone. There are literally thousands of unboxing videos already, but a lot of you were asking me to make a video when I get a phone, so here it goes. This is the Galaxy S10 Plus Exynos version, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. I've already peeled off the plastic film because I'm an impatient man and I don't like those ugly things on my phone. Anyway, as you can see, aside from the phone, inside the box you get a charger which is 15 watts. Rumors suggested Samsung would increase the charging capacity this year. They were partly right, as only the 5G version saw an increase to 22 watts and the rest of the models got the same charger as last year. Apart from that, you get a USB adapter, AKG headphones, USB to USB-C connector, some manuals, and surprisingly a transparent case. I don't like putting cases on my phone, so it's no use for me, but I see a lot of you like cases, so it's a good thing. It's funny how the box of the Galaxy S10 is filled with accessories, while some companies don't even put a dongle inside their boxes. Anyway, the phone looks amazing in real life. It's well built, the animations are fluid. I was kinda worried about the pill-shaped cutout, but surprisingly I've gotten so used to it pretty quickly. Like I've said in the past, it's like a channel logo at the corner of the screen. Our mind only focuses on the middle part and mostly ignores everything that's at the corner. So the cutout will not bother you in any way, even while watching the videos. The display on this phone is just amazing. It's the best display you can find on any smartphone right now, with a record peak brightness of 1215 nits. You can clearly see the difference while playing the same video on the iPhone X, S9 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus. The difference is even more noticeable in real life than in this video because I have a camera. Anyway, the fingerprint scanner on this phone is the world's first. It's the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Those of you who bought this phone might have noticed that sometimes it fails to recognize your fingerprint, or sometimes it says press harder and all of that stuff. Well, you need to give it some time for the AI to learn your unlocking pattern. This device also has a dedicated neural processing chip that learns your habit over time. The same thing happened when I bought the iPhone X last time. For the first week or so, the Face ID didn't work properly, but with time, it learned my face pattern and now it works seamlessly. Don't get me wrong, the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner works 99% of the time, but you need to give it some more time, maybe a week or so, to unlock it seamlessly. That said, I'm pretty impressed with the camera on this phone. There's a 10 megapixel sensor coupled with a secondary depth sensor. It makes your selfies look beautiful. Some of you like it, some don't. I personally like it because I have an ugly ass face and it makes my face look less ugly ass. The back camera though is pretty good. There's a triple camera lens. One is normal, one is telephoto, and the last one is super wide angle. I got pretty good results so far. I'll cover the camera in depth in my review video. By the way, you'll also get 6 months of free Spotify subscription with this phone. All in all, I'm very happy that I got this device. The 12 hours that I spent so far has been really pleasant. And yes, I'll say it again, with the Galaxy S10, Samsung has really hit it out of the park this time. I'll be making a few tests on this device, starting with the screen protector test, so consider subscribing for that. And as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.